Wala.
Alright, we would like to acknowledge the presence of everyone. Please come and join us as we are waiting sa ating newlyweds to graduate on our stage. Alright, and now, without further ado, with great honor and consolation, let us introduce and welcome the newlyweds, Mr. Go